So hello guys, I'm Rotaractor Ronit Tiwari, the president of Rotaract Club of Jain College. And along with me is Rotaractor Aryan Makhijani, the chairman finance, and we are the host for the first ever episode of the RCJC show. In this initiative, we'll be calling esteemed guests every month to come and have an interesting talk with us and share their thoughts. So without any further ado, introducing to you our guest for the first episode. We have with us a man who believes in contributing selflessly to the society. Filled with simplicity and empathy, his idea of making one's mark individually shows that he believes in taking everyone together towards the ladder of success. Charming personality and witty mind. We present to you our guest for today, Rotaractor Bharat Patel, District Rotaract Representative of Rotaract Mumbai 3141 for the year 2021-22.
Hello everyone. Hi Ronit. Hi Aryan. Thank you so much for inviting me for RCJC show. It's my pleasure to be here and share my thoughts toward it. So yeah, thank you so much.
So let us begin. Bharat sir, are you ready?
Pretty much excited and ready. Yes.
So today's episode is divided into two parts. The first round would be a question and answer round, and the second round would be a rapid fire.
Okay, so I guess that's pretty much clear and काफी मजा आने वाला है इसमें. So first round में basically normal questions. So I'll start with the first round. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
So I'll start with a very easy question. How long have you been a part of Rotaract?
So this is my 10th year in Rotaract. So yeah, I have been serving Rotaract movement from last 10 years. And yeah.
That's great. 10 years, almost a decade. Okay, it
Yes.
is a decade.
It is.
That's great.
Let's move on to the next question. What's your favorite part about working for Rotaract?
So, Rotaract is a platform, which gave me a lot of things. Okay, today I am a graphic designer just because of Rotaract. Okay, and Rotaract does make a difference, right? So, for me, working for Rotaract is, that I'm working for my Rotaractors, my members, and that's what important for me as a DRR, right? And that's give me a motivation when whenever I get frustrated or whenever I get stressed, then I ask one question to myself that why I am doing this, and the answer is just you, my Rotaractors. I'm doing this for them, and that give me a motivation factor. That's why I'm working for Rotaract.
That's very nice of you.
I guess that has motivated us instead of you, and we are glad to have a DRR who is so fond of the Rotaractors. So that's great. So moving on to the next question. When you were a club's president, did you ever thought that you will become the DRR, or what inspired you to become the DRR?
Okay. So to be honest, I never wanted to become a DRR. Okay. My dream when I was a president, my dream was to become a secretary, district secretary. Okay. Why? Because that time the secretary was working very hard. The district secretary was working very hard, Neha Khayal, and she was an inspiration for me. Okay. So I always wanted to become the district secretary, and unfortunately, at a club level or a district level, I have never got a chance to work as a secretary. Like club में मुझे कभी secretary नहीं बनाया, district में भी कभी joint secretary नहीं बनाया. But luckily, on 18-19, DRR Hansika Shahani gave me a chance to become a district secretary directly. So I got a chance directly to run the district secretariat without having experience of secretariat. So that's what my dream was when I was a president. But when it comes to DRR, obviously, when I was a secretary, I thought that why not to apply for the DRR ship, because a DRR can make a difference, right? DRR can take a decision by themselves and make a difference in the society. Like there are so many projects, okay, related to community service. My focus area is community service, and I wanted to do a lot of projects. But when in the past year, whenever I wanted to do some project, there is a limitation, right? Because I have to take approval from someone else, correct? And that's a part of the process, right, of any organization, correct? But now once I am the DRR, I know my focus area is community service and what I have to do for my Rotaractors and my society, right? So that's why that give me an motivation factor, you can say, to apply for a DRR sheet. And that's why I choose to become the DRR. And that year changed my life, that कि yes, अब तो मुझे DRR बनना है, to change the thing in the organization, and to make sure that we serve the community in a large level. That's all.
So yeah, moving on to the next question. I believe all of us Rotractors, or most of us, would have this question: how do you manage your Rotrac life with your work as well as student life?
That's an interesting question. Okay, it's very tough. It's very, very, very tough to manage things. And for Rotractors, I can tell you, when I was not in the position of the DRR, that time it was very easy for me, to work and balance my life. But once I became the DRR, okay, now it's very hectic kind of thing. But I'm trying to manage that. Today also, so last 3 days when I was at district training event, okay, I couldn't have access of all the communication and all. So I said today, and I write it down all the in the to-do list. So what I have to do, whom I have to call, and everything, right? So that gave me a list of things that what I have to complete in the night before going to sleep. So that's why I manage myself, in the road track and work life and on my student life. So I just gave my CA final exams as well, right? So during those time also, I was working for road track. I was not completely off road track, but I was working for a road track. So that once you make a to-do list or something, you get a thing that ये काम करना है in the end. Before going to sleep, you have to finish all this work. And that's why I manage myself. And I think a Rotractor also can focus on this to-do list thing. It will really help them also to make sure that all the deadlines are met up. They are set up with all the deadlines. So yeah, to-do list can help.
I'm sure we all are now inspired to make a to-do list for our day-to-day lives. And also, best of luck to you for your results.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I hope it comes in a good way. So, yeah.
So I guess to-do lists are really important for everyone, not only for Rotractors, but for everyone, basically, to keep a track of what all things are done and what all things are to be done. Okay, so moving on to the next question. So what will be your suggestion to all the Rotractors to make the most out of the road track year, like maza bhi hoye and learning bhi hoye?
So, Tony, did you enjoy last 3 days of those?
Definitely.
Right? So it was a fun and learning together, right? So I, as a DRR, always believe that our members should have fun in the moment. So if they don't have fun, they don't have learning and fun together, they will probably leave this moment, right? So that's what my focus area is, that make sure that whatever our members wants to do in the moment, we should focus on that part and make sure that our members are having fun in road track. Okay. So for all the members, for all the Rotractors, I just want to say one thing, that whatever dream you have, whatever wish list you have, just share it with your president. Okay, and I have given this task to all my presidents. And whenever I'm going to installation, I'm giving this task to my president, that whatever dreams you have, just share it with your presidents. And your presidents and I, as a DRR, take this responsibility that we will make sure that whatever dreams you have, whatever wish list you have, we will try to fulfill at our best level. And that's the biggest promise. I promise at a higher level I can give it to you, right, as a DRR. But for that, you need to give me a list what you want to do, right? And together, we will make sure that your dreams we will fulfill with fun in road track.
I guess प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरीज को नहीं, पर बाकी सब बीओडी एंड कोर सबको जाना चाहिए. कोर्स के लिए एक टाइम एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए, है ना?
Feedback is taken now. I will talk to the district road track representative of next year, Jamil, and give him a suggestion that course should be open for all the course members as well.
Perfect.
George.
So one last question for this round. If an autobiography was to be written about you, what would its title be?
Interesting question. So yes, the title would be Leaving the Mark. As everyone knows that the district team for the year 2023 is Make Your Mark, and I always believe that a person can make their mark by impacting a lot of people. And our Rotractors have a great platform of these organizations where they can serve and change the lives. They can make impact at a larger level, right? And this all impact, will make sure that they make their mark in the world, not just in our district or not just in India, but the entire world. And that's why I thought, about this thing that every individual can make their mark in this moment. So yeah, so leaving the mark. Yes, once we close the year, once we are on 30th June 2022, we should, all the presidents, all the secretaries, all the members should make sure that we are leaving a mark for the year 2020.
I'm sure we all would work towards achieving this goal, or this vision rather.
Yes.
I'm sure not only you as a DRR, but we as a president, secretaries, and any member of a Rotaract will definitely make their mark by the end of the year.
Amazing. Yes.
Round 1 now comes to an end. That were a few questions for round 1, and now we'll move on to the next round, which is much more filled with excitement and fun. It's the rapid fire round.
I was pretty much excited for round 1 because it is simple round. But yeah, the thing is, rapid fire always gives me this thing. Okay, I always answer it and I get in trouble. So I don't know what question you guys have. So yes. So yeah, shoot the question now.
Starting with the rapid fire round. So Bharat sir, are you ready? All set?
I'm ready. Yes.
Okay. Starting it. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Smart, intelligent, and adventurous.
That's nice. Okay. If a movie was made of your life, what genre would it be?
Hong Kong.
Would love to know the history behind it.
It's it's a deep history. Let's not go into it. It's rom-com, right? It will go into a lot of personal things. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So what are the 2 things in your life that you would put on your bucket list?
So I have a huge list in my bucket list, but there are 2 things which I really want. So one thing is I want to settle down in Canada. So that's the one bucket list. And second is I want to get this title as a CA. So I want to become CA, and I hope I become CA. So there are 2 things that I want to do it. One thing I just want to share because it's related to Rotaract and it was in my bucket list. So it was there that I want to save a life, okay, and because of Rotaract, okay, I got a chance to save a life through pediatric heart surgery. Okay, so I saved one child when I was initially in my community service year. That time I went on ground and helped that one child, and I saved one child. So that was in my bucket list. So if any Rotaractor can think to saving a life or something, okay, they can also think about it that you can put in your bucket list, and Rotaract can help to fulfill your bucket list. So yeah, that was the one thing which I really appreciate in my life.
I guess that's one of the biggest achievement that you have had till here, and that's really, really, really good. And I love to see that you are so focused on community service even this year. Okay, next question. Are you a morning person or night person?
Morning person, but because of DRRC time, coming to the night person. Yeah.
Okay. If you ever get a chance to change your name, what would it be?
Captain America. I love him. So, वही नाम रखो मेरा.
Okay, Captain America is our DRR now.
Just think about it. DRR Captain America. I'm just kidding. Yeah, but I just love because of that fan.
You are a Marvel fan.
I am.
Okay, that's nice.
Or better answer, Harry.
Oh, Harry. That's nice. Harry Styles.
Harry Potter.
Oh, Harry Potter.
Harry Potter वाला है. Because I love Harry Potter. So.
Okay. Okay. So, presidents or secretaries?
So the secretaries, obviously president.
Oh, being a secretary yourself using a president. Okay, that's nice. Okay, all the presidents, DRR Bharat Patel is choosing presidents over secretaries.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, next question. Okay, so being a DRR or being a president?
Being a president always.
That's great. Presidents direct ho rahe thode. Okay, conducting online events or on-ground events?
On ground events. Heads down, मतलब you know. On ground. Yes.
Perfect. इसके लिए goals में इतना excitement था.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay, call or text?
Call.
Okay guys, तो अगर by chance if DR Bharat Patel doesn't reply you, just call कर दो उसको अभी से.
Please call me. Yes. I request you all. Please call me. Don't wait for you know कि WhatsApp पे reply आएगा. Just phone उठाओ और call.
Oh, that's something new I have heard. That's nice.
Yes.
Okay, so chai or coffee?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee, nice. I thought it would be chai. That's nice. Okay, great. So that were the 10 questions for rapid fire round, and even the rapid fire round now comes to an end. So that was the 2 rounds for the RCS show, and I hope you enjoyed it, and the viewers also enjoyed it. So handing over to Protractor Arden.
Thank you, Ronit. I hope you liked answering the questions. So now we would like to have your feedback on this first episode and also on this initiative.
So you know it was really great initiative. First of all, that you know you are taking an interview kind of thing, you know, of your leaders or you know future leaders. It's a great idea where you know we are sharing our views, our thoughts to our road tractors. Obviously, you know, as a DRR, I cannot connect to each and every road tractor on an individual basis, but this is the medium, you know, where I can share my thoughts with them, right? And that's a great platform by you know RC Jaikin College that you know you guys have started. And Ronit and Aryan, great job. Okay, you guys have you know done a great job asking me a lot of questions, and I hope that you know I gave a justice by giving all the answers to all your test questions. And rapid fire round, obviously, yeah. I too like you know I always figure it out that you know rapid fire round मेरे लिए थोड़ा वो होता है, but I hope that you know वो भी अच्छा हुआ आज rapid fire round. So yeah, it was a great initiative. So yeah, I really loved it.
Thank you so much, sir. This platform is anytime open for you. You can come back.
It will be my pleasure.
It was really, really great to have you over here in the very first episode of the RCS show, and I hope our first episode इतना धमाकेदार है तो आगे के episode भी और धमाकेदार होंगे. Thank you so much, Bharat. Thank you so much for joining here.
Thank you so much, man. Bye bye, everyone.
So here we come to an end to episode 1. We hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you all soon next month in episode 2. Till then, like, share, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated for episode 2.